Alright, my boy Rich is here. We're about to set up boost solenoid and have this ready on the car. Sheesh, why I got a blade. Actually, let me see. Hold on. Wait, you can use this, right? You can use this to cut the wire, right?
Yeah. So pretty much what we're doing now is just...
Hold on. It's my boy Rich. My boy came all the way from the city. We're about to run boost solenoid. He told me to get these pigtails, get everything. Well, we're just gonna basically... Well, he's gonna explain everything. Rich, explain everything we're doing today.
So pretty much, it's a 2-wire solenoid harness. So you're gonna run it back into the cabin. I'm just doing a rough placement of where I think you're gonna put the solenoid. I ran mine on this because I don't have the radiator support. But it looks like there's a couple of holes here that you can run like a 10 nut and bolt, or you could nut insert it, and then we go from there. So right now I'm just running approximately how long we'll need it for. I'm running it back to where it would be the fuse box underneath the dash, and then over to where the harness will plug into the ECU on the passenger side. So I got about what looks like, I don't know, 9 feet, 10 feet or so. And we'll cut that there, and then we'll bring that wire back out and start looming everything, and then we can add all the connectors.
It's the wire guy. I don't know nothing about this shit. That's one of the issues I knew I was gonna run into, but my boy Rich came over about to take care of me. I don't know what I'm doing right now. This guy's a boost guy. I had the basic boost. You know what it is? I was so used to running. I always just ran it off wastegate. That's it. I just had like the old school T with the wastegate. That's it. Yeah. Now it's like, obviously I don't want none of that. I don't want none of that cheap shit. Everything on this shit is straight quality built. So
now this is pretty much the length that we need. We'll look at it from here. These 2 wires will go to your solenoid. Do you have the solenoid?
Oh yeah, it's right here. Open this up. I got it. Let me get this right here. So this is what I ordered too over here. Hold on. It's basically the, oh shit. This is the little mounting bracket, which I don't even think, you know what it is? I could probably put a nut, well, I don't even need this, to be honest. I probably won't even need this, right?
No, you need it to mount this on.
Okay.
Look right here.
So we could just put a bolt maybe through that one, right?
This is supposed to be, you see right here?
Yeah, those.
It will mount here, but it's going to block the whole.
Yeah, well, you could try to do it the other way too. You did how to make it that way, yeah. And then if I have I could just run a long bolt through there too with a nut in the back of it. What is this for? Is this?
That's just a shock protector. So this keeps it from like vibrating on the chassis.
Okay.
So this will
figure
go.
it, but I don't know. Oh, okay. And then
like
this will screw into, I guess.
Yeah. All right, you got it right here. You're good. We're good. You'll just have to replace this because obviously we're not mounting it straight into the chassis.
Yeah, so basically right just a longer bolt, basically.
Yeah.
To go all the way through.
Or maybe if you have a 10 bolt.
I have a couple that, let me see, it reach through? Oh yeah, perfect.
We're good.
Let me see if I should have 10s all over. Hold on, let me find. I have shit all over here. Yeah, I mean, just a rough placement over it right now. So I gotta get a whole bunch of like new nuts and shit.
We could probably do where, I'm trying to think if we're gonna mount it upside down or this way.
Probably upside down, probably be easier, right? To get to maybe.
We'll look at it right now. So you can put it here. And then what will happen is...
You can't even see that. It should be tucked too.
Yeah.
Or we might have to run it that way too. I just remember if we run it... Yeah, we gotta run it that way because I think if we flip it, it might run into the headlight. Maybe like if we should run the hose.
We're good. Because if I flip it, there's another one on the bottom, so it'll pretty much sit like this.
Okay. Oh yeah, there's another. Okay,
but I actually like it the other way because
the wire runs that way.
Exactly.
Okay, that's perfect. We can do that too.
So what you would do is you would do this. Put this 10 on the back.
You got it.
I would put a
washer,
lock washer on the back of this, like one of those, brush washers.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I do not need that shit coming off.
And then because of this now, what I would do is it doesn't matter the orientation for this because they're all whatever. So I would take the filter fitting off and put that.
Oh, to just swap them out basically, just switch them.
And then put the filter over on this side.
So that's like a block off one basically?
No, this is where the pressure bleeds off from.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
this all new shit to me.
yeah. So the harness would, in essence, go this way.
And run through into the cabin.
Yeah, and then you have your. I just had it here. This would be a quick connect.
Oh, okay. Now I see what you're saying. Yeah, so it's literally basically just a pop off.
Yeah. So let's just say you had to service this for whatever reason.
Yeah,
you need to take that out.
It.
Yeah, you just pull this plug. This remains with the solenoid, and you don't have to touch anything that has to go into the cabin.
Oh,
you know?
you're smart. That's smart. Yeah,
So.
it's a little quick. You want to replace that or some shit or do anything to it?
Yeah.
No, that's smart.
And then that's that. So then we'll run loom. We'll run loom over everything, and then make a harness that goes into here. I got an EG, so I brought the wrong one, but this one.
I forgot to tell him that too, because the EGs have the bigger fuse and the EKs take the small fuse.
But if you just get the replacement for this, you probably get it at AutoZone. Matter of fact.
Yeah, I think I seen one of those too. That's I forgot the name of the shits.
Yeah.
Everybody, I know a lot of people use that too for the white bands and shit.
Yeah.
My boy has one. He ran like ground and then ran the power to that into the fuse box.
So this will be a power here. You just run it to whatever power that's going to be off of the key, off of
Yeah.
ignition, into the fuse box under the dash. And then the other wire from this, that's the two wires from here. So one of the wires will go to this, and then that goes into power here, and the secondary wire goes to signal for whatever's on the
Okay.
ECU. I can't remember what the pinout is. We'll look it up.
Yeah, but just tape it and then do it the right way. And it's the animal guy right here. He knows exactly. He knows all these.
Fucking fly orgy. It's like 3 of them.
It's all this water on the floor. That's what it is.
Yeah, mosquitoes gonna fit.
Damn.
See if you could. I don't want to scratch the paint either.
Yeah. Nah, I mean that paint right there don't matter. You good. But yeah, let me just grab it on that side. See what's up.
No, you might be good.
It looks like it might clear because of this cover here.
You gotta take that horn off.
Yeah, I mean, take it off.
Right, let's take the horn off.
I don't even think we can take it off. I'm not gonna break it off.
What do you mean?
Which is fine because the shit goes like here. All right, let me hold this.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me put this camera down real quick. Hold on. So see, people think vlogging is easy, bro. I gotta put.
It ain't.
I gotta put the camera down. I gotta get the right angle. Let me get on this side. Hold on. All right, yeah. There you go.
It's not turning on the vice grip.
No.
Right, we good.
That shit is hard though, bro. Cause when I was putting it in too, it was just like that.
Yeah, when you hit it with the gun just kind of like rattles it.
I used it with that too, and it just snapped off. Look.
See if you can support the horn with your other hand.
It's almost out.
That should be it. Pretty good.
Yeah.
So you just let it hang there. Yeah.
Testing Tunes is open on winter, right?
Up until like October, like November, temperature-wise. So 35 degrees.
Trying to see the car be. It should be the car. I mean, the car gotta be done. I'm not working on this shit in the winter time. Don't worry about the paint, bro. This is just gonna get.
I know, but try not to hit the cooler fins.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna use these brackets. I have brackets. Yeah, see, I told him to use these brackets. See?
Yeah.
So
now you're good
sit on top. Yeah, we good.
And
damn, that shit's.
look at the solenoid, clears everything.
Yeah. Damn,
so
that's perfect.
The idea is run probably
90 fitting.
Put a 90.
No, because I gotta put the push lock fitting, so I'll be like a 90.
You can do two 90s.
Two 90s to go that way.
So it comes up, and then the
it'll
tubing
go.
comes this way, and then there's nothing that really goes.
Because this one gotta go to the waist, right? One of these hoses has to go to the waist,
Yeah, one goes
right?
to the wastegate, and one goes to both of them go to the wastegate. One goes to the top, and one goes to the side.
Okay.
So how you would do is, I mean, if you wanna estimate how shit is gonna sit, let's just say it probably is gonna sit like about here. Your wastegate's on this side, so you literally just have like 10 inches of line that's just gonna come back around and tie straight into this.
No, we good then. Yeah, that fits perfect. Fuck.
Alright, so let's start the harness and then.
Alright, what we got here?
So pretty much you have your solenoid, you have your two wires coming off of this. It doesn't really matter, that's why it's not color coded. So one could be power, one could be ground, or signal, whichever matters.
Okay.
And then you have your 2-wire disconnect just for easy service. I just measured a piece of loom for this. Once we solder all of this stuff, I want to just have all this hidden in here.
Okay.
And then you have your shrink wrap. So we'll shrink wrap this. We'll solder and shrink wrap this, and then run the loom through, and then we'll put the rest together. So it should be all good.
My boy. Yeah, we almost there. We're almost there. There's some shit that I would never in my life do. I hate wiring, so thank God for Rich today.
So pretty much everything is all together here. This is your solenoid, will be mounted to the car. If you ever had to service this, you just pull this quick connect, and then you have this that could remove. This will remain with the rest of the harness that will go into the car, and then that's that.
Easy peasy. That shit's smart as hell too.
Alright.
We didn't even know rip nut gun. We didn't none of that. You don't. You can just run it through here, right? You don't gotta run it inside, right? Like you want to
run it past the door, yeah, okay. Because it could always be a little short. We could roll it up and zip tie it if need be. I could leave the door open. Kind of.
Okay.
So we ran the harness back into the cabin to where the fuse box would be. So this is right here where we're gonna add our fuse connector. Will be in on this red wire right here, and this will go to the fuse box, and then the black lead will go over to the ECU harness. So this is a joined wire. I just and then.
So basically, trying to say that red one gets connected to there into the fuse box. That black one is gonna go to the wiring, which when we find out on the ECU side.
So there you go. So this could get cut short right now. And we don't need this. We can use that for scrap if need be. So pretty much we're done. It's just cosmetic stuff now. This will get connected to this.
And then it goes to the fuse box, and then the other one goes to ground on the ECU side.
And we'll just shorten this wherever it is. I'll put a. I think I might have in a car have one of the ECU pins. Okay. And this way you could just pin it in there, or you could splice it in with that one wire. That's
all right. We could do that. Yeah. All right. So.
This don't burn. This gotta go through the wall first before we
Yeah, gotta go through. Yeah. I'm talking about like after after everything is in.
Yeah. Once it's in, you don't necessarily need to solder it. You could just twist this really, really tight.
Yeah.
And then just heat shrink that.
I mean, I'll get a thing, so I'll just get and just do it, the right way. All right, so we're finished. This is the final product right here. Don't mind this. This is after we put it into there. We run it through a hole. I gotta take out the dash and everything, but everything is already here done. Gonna mount that up probably next week. Got the mounting point. Everything. We ran it basically through here and then through that hole that goes into the cabin. But Gonna mount it up next week because you guys seen, gotta take the dash rod out anyways again and fix all this wiring. So might as well just leave it out, run it through, and then we're good.
Go pay it forward.
Yeah, my dude Rich came through, helped me out. Good looks to him. So pretty much, hopefully you guys enjoyed and learned, I guess, how to do this on your own. Because people sell these kits, but like Rich, he learned it. Well, you saw a video, right?
Yeah.
Saw a video, learned it on his own. So here he is showing you guys, well, showing me, and then I'm showing you guys. See if you guys, I guess, a good amount of money, because everything else, these dudes be selling for a lot of bread. So, but we're good here. Alright guys, about to close out the video. Shout out my dude Rich. I'm gonna put his Instagram down below. Give him a follow. He got a fucking badass race car.
It's a street car, man.
Well, yeah, sorry. Wait. Street car, race car. There you go. Because my guy literally takes it 2-3 hours driving. Literally puts on slicks, beats the shit out of it, drives with his kids and everything. Yo, Rich.
Yo, my guy.
Appreciate you. Give a guy a follow. He literally blessed it. Gotta look at this. Yo, we'll be in touch, bro. Thank you, bro.